today I'm on site in New Haven, Connecticut. The brownstone behind me is being renovated by Leland Torrance Enterprises. They specialize in historic renovation, especially right here in New Haven. And some interesting details about this home, it is using a mix of Warmboard-S and Warmboard-R. They are using Warmboard-S around the existing staircase that's to remain from the 1800s. And they're using Warmboard-R throughout the rest of the home over existing subfloor. Our boiler will arrive on site in a few weeks, and it'll all be hooked up to our Warmboard Comfort System.
Ready for the commercial.
You like your floors hot? So we. Here at Warmboard, never have cold floors again.